One slip, and your iPhone 17 Pro Max screen could be history. But not today. In this video, we're exploring the 22 best screen protectors built to save your display from scratches, drops, and daily wear. Welcome back to my channel. Check the links in description to grab yours now. The number 22 product on our list is TOCOL military-grade Shatterproof. One careless drop can change everything. That's why the TOCOL military-grade Shatterproof protector feels like a lifesaver for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Engineered with triple ion exchange strength, it delivers military-level toughness while staying crystal clear for an auto-allege installation. The auto-allege installation makes setup simple, no bubbles or dust in sight. Unlike flimsy protectors, this one ensures true full-screen coverage, keeping every edge safe. Touch response is smooth and natural, and the anti-fingerprint coating keeps your display spotless. For anyone comparing options in the 22 best screen protectors, this one stands out for serious peace of mind. At number 21 is OMOTON Privacy Screen Protector. Ever felt uncomfortable with strangers peeking at your phone? The OMOTON Privacy Screen Protector changes that instantly, giving you a sense of control and peace while keeping your iPhone 17 Pro Max crystal clear from the front. Unlike standard glass, this one combines anti-spy tech with military-grade toughness, shielding your screen from both curious eyes and accidental drop. The installation is refreshingly simple, with an alignment frame that makes the process foolproof. Compared with others in the 22 best screen protectors list, it offers a unique balance of privacy and protection, perfect for commuters, professionals, or anyone who values discretion. At number 20 is OneFish Anti-Spy Tempered Glass. Ever wished your phone could give you both privacy and protection without compromise? The OneFish Anti-Spy Tempered Glass delivers exactly that, making it stand out among the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors. With 360 DG privacy shielding, it blocks wandering eyes in public, while the 9H tempered glass keeps your display safe from scratches and drops. The installation frame makes applying it quick and stress-free, while the curved edge design ensures comfort and case compatibility. For travelers, professionals, or anyone valuing security, this protector feels like a smart, worry-free choice. At number 19 is QHOHQ military-grade Shatterproof. Imagine a screen protector that doesn't just guard against scratches but survives military-level drops. QHOHQ brings that promise to life. Featured in the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, it blends privacy, shatterproof toughness, and flawless clarity in one sleek package. The auto-fit system makes installation effortless, while the reinforced glass shrugs off impacts that would leave other protectors cracked. Compared to simpler options, this one feels like true peace of mind for everyday users and frequent travelers alike. If you value privacy, durability, and smooth touch response, this protector earns a confident recommendation. At number 18 is SmartDevil Anti-Spy Privacy Film. Ever worried about strangers peeking at your screen on the train or in a cafe? SmartDevil's Anti-Spy Privacy Film tackles that fear head-on. Highlighted among the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, it combines a sharp 28-degree privacy filter with military-grade tempered glass toughness. Installation is seamless thanks to its clever dust elimination tool, leaving no bubbles or frustration. Compared with basic clear protectors, this one brings both discretion and durability, giving users peace of mind. For anyone who values privacy without sacrificing clarity, this film is a smart, confidence-boosting choice. At number 17 is Uyiton Silk 9H Tempered Glass. Imagine swiping across your iPhone and feeling silk-like smoothness instead of drag. That's what sets Uyiton Silk 9H Tempered Glass apart. Ranked alongside the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, it blends ultrafine matte texture with triple ion exchange toughness. Glare reduction makes long scrolling or gaming easier on the eyes, while edge-to-edge coverage keeps drops and scratches from haunting you. Compared to glossy protectors that smudge instantly, this one stays clean and responsive. For users who value clarity, comfort, and real defense, this is a smart, confidence-boosting upgrade. At number 16 is NeverBreak 9H+ Hardness. What if your screen could shrug off drops most protectors wouldn't survive? That's the story of NeverBreak 9H+ Hardness. Crafted with aerospace-grade glass and reinforced edges, it's more than defense. It feels like built-in armor. The smooth, crystal-clear finish keeps swipes fluid and colors untouched, while its precise edge-to-edge fit eliminates dust sneaking in. Compared with other picks from the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one excels in durability without adding bulk. For anyone who demands peace of mind and lasting clarity, this is a confident, future-proof choice. And number 15 is Popoluku 9H Plus military-grade tempered glass. Ever wondered what true military-grade protection feels like on your phone? Popoluku 9H Plus tempered glass delivers that confidence instantly. Built tougher than standard glass, it shrugs off scratches and shocks while keeping your display crisp and clear. The AR anti-glare coating adds comfort during long screen time, something many protectors miss. Compared to other picks from the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, its balance of clarity and rugged defense stands out. If you want peace of mind without sacrificing touch or brightness, this is a smart, lasting upgrade. At number 14 is Magic John HD Clear. It's rare to find a screen protector that feels invisible, yet Magic John HD Clear pulls it off effortlessly. The ultra-enhanced glass keeps every detail sharp while the oleophobic finish resists smudges, making daily use feel smooth and clean. Its automatic dust removal installation is a relief for anyone tired of bubbles and misalignment, a problem many face before buying. Compared to others, in the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one shines with its simplicity and flawless clarity. A smart pick if you want protection without losing the original display experience. At number 13 is BossKiss 9H Plus tempered glass. Sometimes the strongest protection is the one you barely notice, and that's exactly what BossKiss 9H Plus delivers. Built with aerospace-grade toughness, it shrugs off drops, scratches, and daily abuse while keeping the iPhone 17 Pro Max display crystal clear. The auto-installation frame solves the frustrating bubble problem, giving users peace of mind in seconds. Compared to other names in the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one stands out for its smooth touch and invisible full coverage, perfect for those who want durability, clarity, and effortless application in one package. At number 12 is Hoerrye Easy Installation. What if installing a screen protector felt effortless instead of stressful? That's the relief Hoerrye brings with its auto dust elimination system. No bubbles, no frustration, just a flawless fit in seconds. Built with 9H Plus tempered glass, it delivers serious military-grade defense while keeping visuals razor-sharp and touch silky smooth. Compared to others in the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one stands out for its balance of clarity and protection. Ideal for anyone who values hassle-free installation, reliable strength, and the peace of mind of everyday durability. And number 11 is WSKEN Auto Dust Removal. Imagine applying a screen protector in seconds. No bubbles, no dust, just pure clarity. That's the magic of WSKEN's Auto Dust Removal system, designed to save you the frustration most people face. Built with reinforced 9H Plus tempered glass, it delivers military-level toughness while keeping every swipe buttery smooth. Compared to others in the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one shines for its balance of strength and convenience. If you want peace of mind without the headache of tricky installs, this protector feels like the smartest choice. At number 10 is Fotbor 9H Plus Premium Tempered Glass. Most people drop their phones at least once a week. It's scary, right? That's where the Fotbor 9H Plus Premium Tempered Glass steps in, giving your iPhone 17 Pro Max the armor it deserves. Engineered with military-grade strength, it shrugs off scratches and absorbs impact without breaking a sweat. The ultra-thin clarity means you won't even notice it's there, while the upgraded lens cover keeps your camera sharp and safe. Compared to others in the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one blends durability with effortless installation, making it a smart, worry-free pick. At number 9 is YMHML Auto Dust Removal. Imagine installing a screen protector in seconds. No bubbles, no dust, just flawless clarity. That's the magic of the YMHML Auto Dust Removal design. Crafted for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it blends privacy protection with 25D G side-angle blocking, keeping your data safe in public while delivering crystal-clear front views. Reinforced with 9H Plus Shatterproof glass, it stands tall against drops and scratches, earning its spot among the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors. Compared to others, the AR lens shield is a standout, preserving photo quality while adding peace of mind. And number 8 is BENKS Matte Screen Protector. Did you know a screen protector can actually make your phone easier to use outdoors? The BENKS matte glass proves it. Built for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it turns harsh sunlight into soft, glare-free clarity while resisting fingerprints and smudges. The matte finish feels smooth under every swipe, tested for real-world comfort, and the 9H tempered glass construction ensures daily drops or scratches won't leave you stressed. Compared to glossy options, this one adds peace of mind and practicality. A smart, stylish pick among the 22 best screen protectors. At number 7 is UltraGlass UNBREAK Top 9 H plus armor. Ever wondered if a screen protector could truly feel like armor? The UltraGlass UNBREAK 9H Plus delivers exactly that. Built with sapphire ionic components, it shrugs off scratches and survives drops that would shatter ordinary glass. Among the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one stands out for its airspace-level toughness and seamless edge-to-edge fit. Compared to slimmer protectors, it brings a sense of relief and lasting safety without dulling clarity or touch. If durability is your top priority, this protector makes a smart, future-proof investment. At number 6 is LK military-grade Shatterproof. It's rare to find protection that feels invisible yet performs like armor, but the LK military-grade Shatterproof protector achieves exactly that. Designed with 3D full-coverage precision, it hugs every curve of the iPhone 17 Pro Max while keeping dust out and clarity intact. Among the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one balances military-grade toughness with an ultra-smooth bare screen feel. Compared to bulkier options, it feels lighter yet still inspires confidence. For anyone who wants effortless installation and lasting peace of mind, this choice is a standout. And number 5 is Mkeke 9H Plus Tempered Glass. Sometimes the simplest protection delivers the strongest peace of mind, and that's exactly what the Mkeke 9H Plus Tempered Glass brings. Built with military-grade toughness, it shields the iPhone 17 Pro Max against drops and scratches while keeping the display crystal clear and vibrant. Among the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one stands out for its flawless edge-to-edge fit and effortless installation. No bubbles, no stress. Compared to heavier models, it feels sleek yet dependable. For those who want durability without compromise, this option feels like the smart, worry-free choice. At number 4 is AmFilm OneTouch Screen Protector. Installation headaches are one of the biggest reasons people avoid screen protectors, but the AmFilm OneTouch flips that frustration into pure relief. With its auto-alignment kit, it locks onto the iPhone 17 Pro Max in seconds, bubble-free, and perfectly fitted. Out of the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one stands out for how beginner-friendly it feels while still delivering military-grade 9H Plus defense. Compared to bulkier protectors, its ultra-clear finish keeps every swipe smooth and responsive. For users who crave speed, clarity, and real-world durability, this is a confident choice. The third one on our list is ESR military-grade Shatterproof. Most people worry that one drop could ruin their iPhone, but the ESR military-grade Shatterproof protector flips that fear into peace of mind. Built with armor-right glass, it withstands over 100 lbs of pressure while staying crystal clear and responsive. Out of the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one stands apart for balancing raw toughness with smooth everyday usability. Compared to slimmer films like Mkeke, it feels sturdier yet still effortless to install. For anyone craving real durability without sacrificing clarity, this protector feels like a smart, lasting choice. On number 2 is TORRAS OrigArmor Anti-Scratch. Most screen protectors either block clarity or scratch too easily, but TORRAS OrigArmor Anti-Scratch changes that story with aerospace-grade glass and stunning AR clarity. Out of the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors, this one feels like a shield built for perfectionists. The 3D curved edges melt into the screen, delivering comfort that rivals bare glass while keeping dust at bay. Compared to ESR's rugged design, this protector leans toward elegance and optical brilliance. If you want lasting strength without losing natural screen beauty, this is the smart upgrade. Now, moving to the last one is Spigen Glas.tR EZ Fit. Cracked screens usually come from one bad drop, but Spigen Glas.tR EZ Fit turns that worry into confidence. Built with aluminicore glass, it's tougher than standard 9H protectors while keeping your display ultra-clear and responsive. The guided installation tray makes setup almost foolproof, something many protectors in this lineup fail to deliver. Compared to Mkeke's traditional tempered glass, this one feels more premium, with smoother edges and faster touch response. If you value hassle-free installation, crystal clarity, and drop-tested strength, this is the smart, no-stress choice worth adding. Among all, the winner is BENKS Matte Screen Protector because it reduces glare, resists fingerprints, offers smooth touch response, and delivers reliable everyday durability. So guys, this was the video about the 22 best iPhone 17 Pro Max screen protectors. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.